fight, a mission to serve, a duty to bear, but the weight of the bombs filled the cold thinning air. First time he dropped, his heart skipped a beat, a flicker of doubt, a taste of defeat. But orders are orders and war has no face, so he closed his eyes and erased every trace. Oh, the cold wind blows through his shattered soul. Each bomb he drops takes its toll. The fire below, it burns so bright, but his heart grows colder with every flight. The cities below just dots on a map. The screams and the cries, he's learned to adapt. Once a man of honor, now a shadow of steel. The humanity fades and he forgets how to feel. The mirror reflects a stranger's gaze, a hollow man lost in a fiery haze. The war's not the enemy, it's the man in the glass. But he's too far gone, there's no turning back. Oh, the cold wind blows through his shattered soul. Each bomb he drops takes its soul's toll. The fire below, it burns so bright, but his heart grows colder with every flight. The madness creeps in like a thief in the night. He laughs at the chaos, he's numb to the fight. The sky turns to fire, the ground fades to black. He's a dog of war and there's no turning back.